Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical and Electronics Knowledge. So in this video we will learn Ohm's law in the electrical circuit. So let's start this video. Ohm's law was developed by German physicist named George Ohm, who undertook many experiments to develop his theory. The Ohm law is very simple algebraic relationship between the voltage, current and the resistor in the circuit. So let us say we have one voltage source which is connected to a one resistor R. So because of that the current will flow through this resistor R. So according to the Ohm's law, at a constant temperature the electrical current flowing through a fixed linear resistance is directly proportional to the voltage applied across it and also inversely proportional to the resistance. So the current which is flowing through this resistor R is directly proportional to the voltage applied across it, and it is inversely proportional to the resistance of this resistor. So the Ohm's law is current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. Friends, don't skip this video. Please watch the full video for know about Ohm's law, and friends, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So we can mathematically express the law like this: I is directly proportional to V, and we can also say the reverse, that is V is directly proportional to I. Let's replace the proportionality sign with equality using a constant and called it R. So the equation is V is equal to IR, where R is a proportionality constant called resistance. So the expression becomes V is equal to IR. We can rearrange this equation and write it as I is equal to V divided by R. If the input voltage constant and we increase the resistance, so I is decreased because there is a inverse relation between I and R. So when the I increase, then R decrease. So since the resistance opposes current flow. So now you understand why it is called resistance. So we can say resistance is a property of a material which opposes the current flow, and the SI unit of resistance is ohm. I hope you know about Ohm's law from this video. So friends, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.